How to download and install Football Manager. If any day any of you are a football lover like me and you would like to download and install the Football Manager application on your very mobile device, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. All of these steps are for the Android device. If you have an Android device, you can download the very application from the Google Play Store. But if you are an iOS user, you can download the very application from the very Apple Store out there. So after that, you can go to the search icon. Here I have Android device, and after that, I go to my Play Store. You can also go to your Play Store, and in the search section of your very Play Store there, you have to search the Football Manager. After you search Football Manager, now you can see an interface like this. Now what you can do is you can tap on this very option, that is Football Manager 2024 mobile, and after you tap on that, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of install there. Now after you go to the option of the install, now what will happen is that the very application will be installed on your very mobile device, but sometimes what problem may happen is that you may have a lot of application on your very mobile device. Therefore, if any day you have any of those problem, you have to free up the space by just deleting any of those applications from your very mobile device, and after you delete them, you can just download the very application by tapping on the option of install and download, and this way you can download the application on your mobile device and use it. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it and if you find our video to be meaningful to you, do not forget to subscribe our channel.